Imagine stepping into a world so green and wild, it feels like a real-life adventure movie. The Amazon rainforest is huge. It's bigger than the whole of India. It's home to more plants and animals than anywhere else on Earth, including jaguars, sloths, and pink river dolphins. In fact, just 1 square mile of the Amazon can have over 50,000 kinds of insects. The trees here grow so tall, their leaves make a roof called the canopy, blocking out the sun and creating a secret world below. Many of the foods we eat, like chocolate and bananas, come from plants that first grew wild in the Amazon. But the rainforest is more than just beautiful. It helps our planet breathe by making a ton of the world's oxygen. Pretty amazing, right? What would you want to discover in the Amazon?